atomic and molecular spectra ledger that contains introduction, board summer field theory of hydrogen atom, quantum mechanics of hydrogen atom, angular momentum of parity, चौथा मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट, इलेक्ट्रॉन स्पिन एंड वेक्टर एटॉम मॉडल, पांचवा स्पिन ऑर्बिट इंटरेक्शन, हाइड्रोजन फाइन स्ट्रक्चर, छठवां आइडेंटिकल पार्टिकल्स, पॉली एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल, सातवां हीलियम एटम्स एंड इट्स स्पेक्ट्रम, आठवां मल्टी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एटम, हर्ट्जी फील्ड, एटॉमिक ग्राउंड स्टेट एंड पीरियोडिक टेबल, नौवां स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपिक टर्म, एलएस एंड जे कपलिंग, दसवां स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ एल्काइल एलिमेंट्स, ग्यारहवां स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ एल्काइन अर्थ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स स्पेक्ट्रा, बारहवां जीमान इफेक्ट एंड पाशन इफेक्ट, तेरहवां द स्टार्क इफेक्ट, चौदहवां द हाइपर फाइन स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन, पंद्रहवां द ब्रीथ ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रल लाइन, सोलहवां एक्सरे स्पेक्ट्रा, सत्रहवां टाइप्स ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर एनर्जी स्टेट्स, अठारहवां प्योर रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा, उन्नीसवां वाइब्रेशनल रोटेशनल स्पेक्ट्रा, बीसवां द ड्रामन स्पेक्ट्रा, इक्कीसवां इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेक्ट्रा फ्रैंक कॉर्डन प्रिंसिपल, बाईसवां आइसोटोप इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पेक्ट्रा, तेईसवां फ्लूरेंसेंस ऑफ फास्फोरेंस, चौबीसवां क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूलर इलेक्ट्रॉन स्टेट, पच्चीसवां सिमेट्रिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रोटेशनल लेवल्स, न्यूक्लियर स्पिन एंड आइडेंटिसिटी अल्टरनेशन, छब्बीसवां कपलिंग ऑफ रोटेशनल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मोशन, टाइप्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ट्रांजिशन, सत्ताईसवां कोल रिलेशन बिटवीन एटॉमिक्स एंड मॉलिक्यूलर स्टेट, बिल्डिंग अप प्रिंसिपल, अट्ठाईसवां मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड केमिकल बॉन्ड, द स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल स्टेट, उनतीसवां कंटिन्यूस ऑफ ए डिफ्यूजन मॉलिक्यूलर स्पेक्ट्रा, डिसोसिएशन ऑफ प्री डिसोसिएशन, तीसवां टेम्परल एंड स्पेशियल कोहेरेंस, इकतीसवां लेजर आइंस्टीन कोफिशिएंट एंड लाइट एप्लीकेशन, बत्तीसवां टाइप्स ऑफ लेजर, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ एप्लीकेशन लेजर, इंट्रोडक्शन. Spectroscopy is that branch of physics which deals with the observation and interpretation of radiation emitted and observed by atoms and molecules, and through light on their structure. It provides information not only about arrangement and motion of the outer electrons, optical spectroscopy, but also about the inner electron, X-ray spectroscopy, and about the angular momentum, magnetic momentum, distribution of charge and magnetism of the nucleus, study of hyperfine structure, nuclear magnetic resonance, etc. It was Sir Isaac Newton who oriented spectroscopy by showing that a prism refracts blue light more than red light, thus forming a band of color known as spectrum. Today we know that the visible spectrum is a small part of the broad electromagnetic spectrum, ranging from the gamma ray to the radio wave. The wavelength lambda and the frequency v dash of a monochromatic wave are related as v dash lambda is equal to v, where v is the phase velocity in the medium. The phase velocity v of an electromagnetic wave in a medium is related to phase velocity c in vacuum by v is equal to c beta mu, where mu is the refractive index of the medium with respect to vacuum. The frequency of a wave remains unchanged and it propagates through various medium. Hence the vacuum equation 1 may be written as v dash lambda subscript vac is equal to c, and for a dispersive medium say air we write v dash lambda subscript air is equal to v subscript air is equal to c beta के mu air subscript air. Thus the frequency of an electromagnetic wave may be expressed as v dash is equal to c beta के lambda subscript vac is equal to c beta के mu subscript air lambda subscript air. The wavelength in the visible part of the spectrum is measured by in angstrom units, which is 1 angstrom is equal to 10⁻⁷ सेमी is equal to 10⁻10 मीटर is equal to 10⁻⁻1 नैनोमीटर. Infrared wavelength longer than 10,000 angstrom and measured in micron, which is 1 micron is equal to 10⁻⁴ सेमी is equal to 10⁻⁶ मीटर is equal to 10⁻⁴ angstrom. A smaller unit millimicron mu, which is 1 millimicron is equal to 10⁻⁷ सेमी is equal to 10⁻⁹ meter is equal to 10 angstrom. For the analysis of spectral line, frequency is more fundamental than the wavelength. because the frequency of monochromatic lights does not alter in different media. However, the frequency is numerically very large. For example, the frequency of visible lights of wavelength 6000 एंगस्ट्रॉम में v डैश इक्वल टू c बटा के लेमडा सब वी एस सी इक्वल टू 3 गुणा दखाते 8 मीटर प्रति सेकेंड बटा के 6000 गुणा दखाते -10 मीटर इक्वल टू 5 गुणा दखाते 14 प्रति सेकेंड हर्ट्स. Therefore, in spectroscopy, wave number, the number of the per meter or per semi, rather the frequency of usually implied. The wave number v is the reciprocal of wavelength in vacuum and is expressed in the semi-inverse or in प्रति meter. v is equal to 1 upon lambda suffix में vac is equal to 1 upon mu suffix में ar, lambda suffix में ar is equal to v dash बटा के c. To find the wave number of the wavelength measured in air, we must first convert the wavelength in air to the wavelength in vacuum by multiplying it by the refractive index of air for the wavelength and then take reciprocal value. Standard wave number tables are very available for this computation. After Newton's Jespek-Fraunhofer in 1814 observed dark line in the solar spectrum. Soon after, Kirchhoff and Bajin found such dark line and similar bright lines in the spectra of stars and laboratory flame and sparks. This brought into picture two types of spectroscopy, in the emission spectroscopy and the absorption spectroscopy. The main piece of apparatus required in the study of spectroscopy are a light source, a display device, and the receiver eyepiece of our camera. The wave of producing light for spectroscopy study are temperature, radiation, and luminescence, which include electroluminescence, chemiluminescence, fluorescence, and phosphorescence. In the temperature radiation, the atom and molecule of gas are excited by collision with other atoms or molecules at high temperature. The excited atom and molecules emit light. This occurs in flame and electric furnace. If the in electroluminescence, atoms or molecules are excited by collision with electrons or ions oscillated in an electric field. This occur in all kind of electric discharge, arc, spark, and geyser tube. In chemiluminescence, energy is set free in a chemical reaction and is converted into light. This phenomenon takes place partly in flame, photoluminescence, fluorescence, and phosphorescence result from excited sun by absorption of light. The light from the source is forced on the stress slit of spectrograph, which disperse it and form an image of the slit in its focal length plane. Image in different wavelength occur at the different point along the focal plane. The succession of image of the entrance slit is called the spectrogram. The main observation in the spectrogram are as follow as: first, monoatomic gases when heated to incandescence gives distinct bright emission lines. Polyatomic gases gives band composed of closely spaced line, and very dense gases or solid gives continuum. दूसरा, a continuous spectrum seen through a cool gas shown absorption line or bands. This means that a cool gas absorbed from continuous light those very wavelength which it emit when heated. तीसरा, the position wavelength of spectral line are characteristic of atom or molecules which produce them. चौथा, the intensity of spectral line grow as the concentration of atom increases. पांचवा, intensity of spectral line vary with temperature of the source. A particular spectral line may serve as a standard of the length. In 1907, the red CD lines 64-38 एंगस्ट्रॉम was adopted. Then it was रिप्लेस बाय द ग्रीन लाइन्स 5460 एंगस्ट्रॉम फॉर ऑफ मरकरी आइसोटोप Hg के खाते 198 एंड इन 1960 द ऑरेंज लाइन 60-58 एंगस्ट्रॉम ऑफ क्रिप्टॉन आइसोटोप क्रिप्टॉन के खाते 86 वाज चूजन द वेवलेंथ ऑफ क्रिप्टॉन ऑरेंज लाइन इन वैक्यूम लाइट इज लेमडा सर्विस में VAC इक्वल टू 60-57.80-21 106 एंगस्ट्रॉम इज reliable light source of and wavelength standard became available in the second half of the 19th century. Spectroscopic began to note regularity in the spacing of spectral line. In 1870, Leving and Dewar noticed that the spectral line of various elements could be grouped into distinct series. In each series, the spacing and intensity decreases regularly toward shorter wavelengths until finally it becomes impossible to distinguish the individual lines. Series limit the various series in complicated spectra overlap. The simplest in the hydrogen spectrum, its visible parts show a single series Balmer series which start at 65-63 angstrom in the red and proceed towards a limit at 36-46 angstrom in the violet. Besides this, there is a series in the ultraviolet Lyman series and a few series in the infrared and far infrared Paschen bracket and Fund series. Balmer in 1885 discovered a formula predicting the wavelength of the lines of the Balmer series, which is lambda equal to 36-46 n square बटा के n square minus 4 n equal to 3,4,5 डॉट डॉट डॉट. Subsequently, Ribard found that Balmer formula was a special case of the following more general wave number of the hydrogen V equal to R suffix में H क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के n1 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 upon n2 स्क्वायर where n1 and n2 are positive integer, n2 is greater than n1 and R suffix में H is the Ribard constant for hydrogen from recent spectroscopic data. The value of R suffix में H is known to be 10-96-77.576 प्रति सेमी R 10-96-77.57 प्रति मीटर. टू ऑब्टेन Balmer फार्मूला V सेट n1 इक्वल टू 2 and n2 इक्वल टू 3, 4, 5 डॉट. द सीरीज लिमिट इज डिराइव्ड बाय पुटिंग n2 इक्वल टू इन्फिनिटी. द एबव फार्मूला प्रेडिक्ट ऑल नोन सीरीज ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन स्पेक्ट्रम. We thus conclude that the wave number of the hydrogen line can be expressed as the difference of two terms of the form R suffix में H बटा n square. The next simplest spectra are the monovalent atom of alkyl Li, Na, K, which form the first column of the periodic table. The elements share many chemical properties and this is the attributed to the presence of a single valence electron in the outermost orbit. Spectroscopically, a typical alkyl spectrum can be grouped into our 4 distinct series. The strongest in the principal series, which is the exception of its first member, lies in the ultraviolet. The other 2 sharp and diffuse series lies in the visible part, while the fourth one, the fundamental series, lies in the infra region. Ribard represent the wave number of the lines of a particular series by formula V equal to R suffix में A J स्क्वायर बटा के 1 बटा के n1 माइनस डेल 1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के n2 माइनस डेल 2 का होल स्क्वायर. वेयर R suffix में इज Ribard constant for particle elements. n1 and n2 are possible integer and delta 1 and delta 2 are quantum defect is less than 1. The integral n1 is fixed for the particular series while n2 is the variable integer. The line of an alkyl spectrum under high resolution show a fine structure and the term of doublet. The fine structure became more pronounced in the heavier element. Again, we find that the wave number of the line can express as difference of two terms like R suffix में A Z स्क्वायर बटा के n माइनस डेल का होल स्क्वायर. The next complexity beyond the alkyl comes the divalent element Be, Mg, Ca of the second column of periodic table. The chemical similarly T of these alkaline earths result from the presence of two valence electrons in a typical alkyl earth spectrum. One can disguise two distinct system of the lines, a system of triplet and a system of singlet. Each system has a principal series, a sharp series, a diffuse series, and a fundamental series. Like alkyl spectra, the fine structure becomes more pronounced in the heavier element of the group. The spectrum of a neutral resembles that of the divalent elements, although the fine structure is much smaller. The singlet system is attributed to perihelium and the triplet system is orthohelium. As we proceed to the elements in the middle of the periodic table, the spectra becomes more and more complex and the grouping of lines into series becomes less pronounced. Still, regularities can be observed in complex spectra, and it is possible to express the wave number of any line as the difference of two terms. This fact has been expressed in the Rydberg-Ritz combination principle, which is as follows. The wave number of spectral line can be expressed by the difference of the spectroscopy term in such a way that other difference of this term also give the wave number of line in the same spectrum. Suppose in a spectrum the wave number of two lines are given as V sub is equal to T2 minus T3 and V sub is equal to T1 minus T4. Then line of the following wave number are also expected to be found in the same spectrum. V sub is B is equal to T2 minus T4 and V sub is equal to T1 minus T3. This medium can constant different exist between the wave number V sub is B minus V sub is equal to V sub is D minus V sub is C, V sub is C minus V sub is equal to V sub is D minus V sub is B. In high temperature source such as a spark discharge, many atoms lose electrons and are converted into ions. Such ions emit their characteristic spectrum. The simplest ionic spectrum is helium plus spectrum, which is hydrogen like. It can be represented by the same formula as the hydrogen, but the Rayburn constant R sub H is replaced by 4H sub E R sub E. Thus for the helium plus spectrum we have B is equal to 4 R sub helium custom 1 बटा के n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. The other elements deprive of all but one electrons also produce hydrogen series, which can be represented by the general formula V is equal to Z square R sub A custom 1 बटा के n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Similarly, the spectra of line of alkyl ion such as Be plus, Be double plus have the a precedence of an alkyl spectrum. The lines follow the pattern predicted by Rydberg formula, but with substitutional Z minus 1 plus 1 Z minus n plus 1 का whole square R sub A for Z square R sub A, where n is the number of electrons remains in the atom. The modified formula is V is equal to custom Z minus n plus 1 का whole square R sub A custom 1 बटा के n1 minus del 1 का whole square minus 1 upon n2 minus del 2 का whole square. From this we draw a final conclusion. The number of valence electrons determine the qualitative character of a spectrum, that is the number of type of series, whereas the net atomic charge affect quantitative details, that is the wavelength of line in the series. Wave number unit. The wave number unit are commonly used by spectroscopic as a measure of energy, where a single particle, atom or molecules emits lights, the emitted light quantum will have an energy given by E equal to h v dash Planck photon theory, where h is the Planck constant and v dash is the frequency of emitted light. But v dash is equal to cv, where v is the wave number of emitted light. Therefore E is equal to h cv. Substituting the known value up to 4 significant factor figures of the universal constant h and c, and taking v equal to the 100 प्रति मीटर इक्वल टू 1 सेमी प्रति, वी हैव ई इक्वल टू 6.6 गुणे 10⁻34 जूल सेकेंड। एक क्वेश्चन में, दूसरे क्वेश्चन में 2.998 गुणे 10⁸ मीटर प्रति सेकेंड। क्वेश्चन बंद 100 प्रति मीटर इक्वल टू 1.986 गुणे 10⁻23 जूल। एक सेमी इनवर्स इक्वल टू 1.986 गुणे 10⁻23 जूल प्रति मोलिकुलस। नाउ 1 मोल कांस्टेंट 6.023 गुणे 10⁻23 मोलिकुलस एवोगाड्रो नंबर। देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट 1 प्रति सेमी इक्वल टू 1.986 गुणे 10⁻23 जूल प्रति मोलिकुलस गुणे 1.023 गुणे 10⁻23 मोलिकुलस प्रति मोल इक्वल टू 11.962 जूल प्रति मोल। अगेन 1 कैलोरी इक्वल टू 4.186 जूल। देयरफॉर एक सेमी इनवर्स इक्वल टू 11.962 जूल प्रति मोल बटा के 4.186 जूल प्रति कैलोरी इक्वल टू 2.858 कैलोरी प्रति मोल। 1 सेमी इनवर्स इक्वल टू 2.858 कैलोरी प्रति मोल इक्वल टू 2.858 गुणे 10⁻³ कैलोरी प्रति मोल। वी कैन आल्सो ऑब्टेन इंटर कन्वेंशन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एंड प्रति सेमी इनवर्स। वी नो दैट एक इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 1.602 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल प्रति मोलिक्यूल्स। इसलिए एक सेमी इनवर्स इक्वल टू 1.986 गुणे 10⁻23 जूल प्रति मोलिक्यूल्स बटा के 1.602 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल प्रति मोलिकुलस इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। एक सेमी इनवर्स इक्वल टू 1.239 गुणे 10⁻4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। कंजर्वली एक इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 1.602 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल प्रति मोलिक्यूल्स बटा के 1.986 गुणे 10⁻23 जूल प्रति मोलिक्यूल्स गुणे एक सेमी इनवर्स। एक इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 80 प्रति सेमी। फ्रॉम रिलेशन सी एंड डी 1.239 गुणे 10⁻4 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 2.858 गुणे 10⁻3 कैलोरी प्रति मोल। एक इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 2.858 गुणे 10⁻3 कैलोरी प्रति मोल बटा के 1.239 गुणे 10⁻4 एक इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 23.06 कैलोरी प्रति मोल। बोर समरफील्ड थ्योरी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम atomic spectra. When an atom gas or vapor is excited, say the passage of an electric current through it, the emitted radiation after being dispersed by a suitable spectrometer becomes concentrated at a number of discrete wavelengths. Each of these wavelength components is called a spectral line, and the whole family of line is called a line spectral or atomic spectral. Investigation of spectra emitted from different kind of an atom shows that each kinds of atoms has its own characteristic spectrum, that is a characteristic set of wavelength. This makes spectroscopy a useful tool for chemical analysis of an unknown substance. A characteristic feature of line spectra is that the spectral line can be grouped in one or more series in which the separation and intensity of line decreases regularly toward shorter wavelengths. From example, in the spectral line of hydrogen atom is observed a series of lines whose separation and intensity decreases in a perfectly regular manner toward shorter wavelength, and the series converges to a limit at about 36-40 angstrom. Figure 1. The line with the longest wavelength 65-63 angstrom is designed S sufficient alpha, the next of wavelengths 48-66 angstrom is designed H sufficient beta, and so on. 65-63 एंगस्ट्राम 48-61 एंगस्ट्राम एस सफिशिएंट बीटा एस सफिशिएंट गामा इक्वल टू 43-40 एंगस्ट्राम एस सफिशिएंट लैम्डा इक्वल टू 41-02 एंगस्ट्राम एस सफिशिएंट इंफिनिटी इक्वल टू 36-46 एंगस्ट्राम। लिमिट सीरीज बामर सीरीज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन। बामर इन 1885 डिस्कवर एंड empirical formula representing the wavelength of the hydrogen lines. His formula is lambda is equal to 3646 n स्क्वायर बटा के n स्क्वायर माइनस 4 एंगस्ट्रॉम, वेयर n इक्वल टू 3 कामा 4 कामा 5 डाटा डाटा 5 एस पी अल्फा कामा एस पी बीटा कामा एस पी कामा लाइन respectively. This series, the series therefore named as Balmer series. The formula is more generally written in the following form, which is due to Ritz and Rybert. V इक्वल टू 1 अपान लेम्डा इक्वल टू आर सी में क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपान n स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन बन n इक्वल टू 3 कामा 4 कामा 5 बामर, where V is the wave number of the line and R is the Rybert constant for hydrogen and has the experimentally value. R इक्वल टू 10 9 6 7 7 5 7.6 प्रति मीटर इक्वल टू 1.097 गुणे 10⁷ प्रति मीटर इक्वल टू 1.097 गुणे 10⁵ प्रति सेमी. The Balmer series constant only those spectral line of hydrogen atom which occur in the visible and near ultraviolet parts of the spectrum. The spectral line in the ultraviolet region for the Lyman series, which is specified by the formula v इक्वल टू 1 बाई लेमडा इक्वल टू आर सी में क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के n 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के n स्क्वायर n इक्वल टू 2 कामा 3 कामा 4 डाटा लाइमन इन इंफ्रा रेड. द स्पेक्ट्रल सीरीज हैव बीन फाउंड विच आर स्पेसिफाइड बाय द फार्मूला v इक्वल टू 1 बटा के लेमडा इक्वल टू आर सी में क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के n स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में n इक्वल टू 4 कामा 5 कामा 6 डाटा पास्चन v इक्वल टू 1 बाई लेमडा इक्वल टू आर सब में क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के n का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू कामा n इक्वल टू 5 कामा 6 कामा 7 दादा ब्रैकेट v इक्वल टू 1 बटा के लेमडा इक्वल टू आर सब में क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के 5 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के n स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में n इक्वल टू 6 7 8 फंड. Similarly, regularities are found in the spectra of more complex atoms. The series formula are those spectra are the same general structure for the hydrogen spectrum. Bohr's postulate. Niels Bohr in 1913 developed a model of atomic structure which was in accurate quantitative agreement which is observed hydrogen and hydrogen like spectra. This model is based on the certain postulated which are: first, an electron in an atom moves in a circular orbit about the nucleus under the influence of a Coulomb's attraction between the electrons and the nucleus according to the law of classical mechanics. This postulate based Bohr's model on the details of the atomic nucleus and embodies some of the idea concerning the stability of the nuclear atom. दूसरा, out of the infinite number of orbits which would be possible in classical mechanics, it is only possible for an electron to move in an orbit for which the magnitude of its orbital angular momentum L vector is an integrate multiple of h bata 2 pi, where the h is the Planck constant, that is mod of L vector is equal to n h bata 2 pi, n is equal to 1 2 3. This postulate introduce quantization. We shall see the quantization of the orbital angular momentum of atomic electron leads to quantization of its total energy. तीसरा, the electrons in spite of its accelerated motion does not radiate electromagnetic energy while moves in an allowed orbit, thus its total energy remains stationary. This postulates remove the problem of the stability of the electron moving in a circular orbit due to the emission of electromagnetic energy as demanded by classical theory. चौथा, electromagnetic radiation is emitted if an electron initially moving in an orbit of total energy is discontinuously change its motion so that it moves in a lower orbit to the lower energy is specified of the frequency v dash of the emitted radiation is given by v dash is equal to E specified minus E specified बटा के h. This postulate is closely related to Einstein postulate is equal to h v dash, that the frequency of a quantum photons of electromagnetic radiation is equal to the energy carried by the quantum divided by Planck constant h. This postulate mixed up the classical and non-classical physics. The electron moving in a circular orbit is assumed to obey classical mechanics, and yet the non-classical idea of quantization of orbital angular momentum is included. The electron is assumed to obey one feature of classical electromagnetic theory, Coulomb's law, and yet not obey another feature, emission and radiation of the accelerated charged body. तीसरा बोर्स मॉडल ऑफ वन डायमेंशनल एटम एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ स्पेक्ट्रा ऑफ हाइड्रोजन लाइक एटम. लेट अस कंसीडर एन एटम consisting of a nucleus of charge Z plus Ze and a single electrons of charge minus C and mass m. Figure 2 for the neutral hydrogen atom Z is equal to 1, for a singly ionized helium atom Z is equal to 2, for a doubling ionized lithium atom Z is equal to 3 etc. We assume that the electrons revolved in a circular orbit about the nucleus. Initially we assume that the nucleus is infinitely heavy compared to the electrons, and consequently assume that the nucleus remains fixed in space. The condition of mechanical stability of electron is 1/4 epsilon naught Z E गुणे E बटा के R स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एम वी स्क्वायर बटा के R Z प्लस जेड ई आर माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन भी. समीकरण नंबर 1 Coulomb's law centripetal force, where v is the speed of the electrons in its orbital and r is the radius of the orbits. Now the orbital angular momentum of electrons L is equal to mvr must be constant, because the force acting on the electrons is entirely in the radial direction. Applying the quantization condition of for L, we have L is equal to mvr is equal to nh बटा के 2 पाई. समीकरण नंबर 2 where n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and is called the principal quantum number. Equation 2 gives v is equal to nh बटा के 2 पाई mr. Substituting this value of v in equation 1, we have z e square is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught m v square, r is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught m r कोष्टक में nh बटा के 2 पाई m r का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट n स्क्वायर s स्क्वायर बटा के 4 पाई स्क्वायर m r r इक्वल टू n स्क्वायर s स्क्वायर एप्सिलॉन नॉट बटा के पाई m z e स्क्वायर n इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3 चौथा. सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग दिस वैल्यू ऑफ r इन इक्वेशन 3, वी हैव v इक्वल टू z e स्क्वायर बटा के 2 n h एप्सिलॉन नॉट n इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3 5. The application of the angular momentum quantization condition restrict the possible circular orbit of radii given by equation 4. These radii are proportional to n square. The radius of smallest orbit n is equal to 1 for the hydrogen atom Z is equal to 1 works out to be 0.53 a star, which is the good agreement with the estimate made from other data such as kinetic theory. The orbital velocity of an electron is smallest orbit of hydrogen atom work out to be from equation 5 v equal to 2.1 गुणे 10⁶ मीटर प्रति सेकेंड. And this is largest velocity possible for an electron in hydrogen atom. This is the less than 1% of the velocity of light, about 1/137 of the velocity of light, and hence we are justifying in using classical mechanics instead of relativistic mechanics in the Bohr's model for the large value of z, where however the electron velocity becomes relativistic. Equation 5 also makes it is clear why Bohr did not allow the quantum number n to assume the value of n is equal to 0. Let us now calculate the total energy of an atoms of electron is move one of the allowed orbital. Let us define the potential energy of the electron to be 0 when the electron is indefinitely distance from the nucleus, then the potential energy U and the finite distance r from the nucleus is equally to the work done by removing the electron from r to identify against the electrostatic attraction minus 1/4 z e square बटा r square, and is given by u इक्वल टू r to infinity minus 1/4 z e square बटा r square dr इक्वल टू minus z e square बटा 4 r. The kinetic energy of the electron is k इक्वल टू 1/2 mv square इक्वल टू z e square बटा 8 pi epsilon naught r. From equation 1, hence the total energy of the electron is E equal to k plus u equal to z e square बटा 8 pi epsilon naught r minus z e square बटा 4 pi epsilon naught r equal to minus z e square बटा 8 pi epsilon naught r. Substituting for r from equation 4, we get the total energy of the electron in the nth एज ई सफिक्स में एन इक्वल टू माइनस एम जेड स्क्वायर ई के खाते 4 बटा 8 पाई 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर एच स्क्वायर कोष्टक में 1 बटा एन स्क्वायर एन इक्वल टू 1, 2, 3 6. We see the quantization of orbital angular momentum of electron leads to quantization of its total energy. On substituting the value of m इक्वल टू 9.1 गुणे 10⁻31 kg इक्वल टू 1.6 गुणे 10⁻19 kg. कुलाम एप्सिलॉन नॉट इक्वल टू 8.85 गुणे 10⁻12 कुलाम स्क्वायर प्रति न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर, एंड एच इक्वल टू 6.63 गुणे 10⁻34 जूल प्रति सेकेंड. इन इक्वेशन 6 द एनर्जी ऑफ द वेरियस अलाउ ऑर्बिटल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम जेड इक्वल टू 1 वर्क आउट टू बी E1 इक्वल टू माइनस 21.7 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल इक्वल टू माइनस 13.6 गुणे इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 1.60 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल. E2 इक्वल टू माइनस 5.42 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल इक्वल टू माइनस 3.39 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. E3 इक्वल टू माइनस 2.41 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल इक्वल टू माइनस 1.51 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. पुटिंग n इक्वल टू 1, z इक्वल टू 1 and inserting the known value of h, m, e and epsilon naught in equation 4, we have r इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वायर गुणे 6.63 गुणे 10⁻34 जूल सेकेंड का होल स्क्वायर गुणे 8.85 गुणे 10⁻12 कुलाम स्क्वायर प्रति न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर बटा के 3.14 गुणे कोष्टक में 9.1 गुणे 10⁻31 kg कोष्टक बंद गुणे 1 गुणे कोष्टक में दूसरे कोष्टक में 1.6 गुणे 10⁻19 कुलाम होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 5.3 गुणे 10⁻11 मीटर इक्वल टू 0.53 एंगस्ट्रॉम. Putting n equal to 1, z equal to 1 and inserting the known value of e, h and epsilon naught in equation 5, we have v equal to 1 गुणे कोष्टक में 1.60 गुणे 10⁻19 कुलाम का होल स्क्वायर बटा के 2 गुणे 1 गुणे कोष्टक में 6.63 गुणे 10⁻34 जूल सेकेंड कोष्टक बंद गुणे 8.85 गुणे 10⁻12 कुलाम स्क्वायर प्रति न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0.18 गुणे 10�6 मीटर प्रति सेकेंड. इस सफिक्स में 4 इक्वल टू माइनस 1.36 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल इक्वल टू माइनस 0.85 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. The energy are all negative, signifying that the electron is bound to the nucleus. The lowest most negative energy occurred the smallest quantum number n equal to 1, which correspond to the innermost orbit. As n increases, the total energy of the quantum state becomes less negative, approaching 0, and n approaching infinity. The electron is then no longer about to the nucleus. This is represented in an energy level diagram. Figure 3. The lowest energy level E1 is called ground state and are normal state of the atom being most stable for electrons, and the highest level E2, E3, E4 are called excited state. n e शुरू दिया माइनस 3.39 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट 1.51 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट 0.85 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट ई एन इंटू 1 से लेके माइनस 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. द ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी E1 एंड हाइड्रोजन Z बराबर 1 एटम्स इज कोवेरिएंट एनर्जी यूनिट्स. इट इज कॉल्ड द राइबर्स एंड इट्स न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू इज 1 राई इक्वल टू एम ई खाते 4/8 epsilon naught स्क्वायर एच स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 21.7 गुणे 10⁻19 जूल इक्वल टू 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट. in order of remove the electron from its ground state n equal to 1 to infinity, a minimum of 13.6 electron volt of energy is required. Thus 13.6 electron volt is binding energy of the hydrogen atoms. The energy which binds the electron to nucleus, the binding energy of ionization energy, is numerically equal to the equal energy of the ground state of the atom. Term value, the energy value of the various quantum state energy level divided by minus hc are called term level of the state of the denoted by T sub n. By using equation 6 we have T sub n equal to minus E sub n बटा hc equal to 8 z स्क्वायर के खाते 4 बटा 8 पाई 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर c कोष्टक में 1 बटा n स्क्वायर n इक्वल टू 1 कामा 2 कामा 3 डट डट द क्वांटिटी m e के खाते 4 बटा 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर h क्यू c is defined Heisenberg constant r sub infinity for an infinite heavy nucleus, that is r sub infinity इक्वल टू m e के खाते 4 बटा 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h क्यू c r sub infinity is a constant for the all atom. The last equation of that now be written as T sub n equal to r sub infinity z square बटा n square. The lowest and the most stable energy level has the largest term value. Origin of one electron hydrogen like atomic spectra. The energy equation 6 can be written in the terms of r sub infinity as r e sub n equal to minus r sub infinity z square h c बटा n square. Let us now calculate the frequency v dash of the electromagnetic radiation emitted when the electron initially moving in the orbit of quantum number n sub drops to a lower orbit of quantum number n sub f. If e sub I and e sub f be the initial and the final orbit energy respectively, then by Bohr's postulate we have v dash equal to e sub I minus e sub f बटा के h इक्वल टू ई सब इसमें टू जेड स्क्वायर सी कोष्टक में 1 बटा के एन सब इसमें एफ स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपन एन सब इसमें आई स्क्वायर आर भी डैश बटा के सी इक्वल टू आर सब इसमें टू जेड स्क्वायर कोष्टक में 1 बटा के एन सब इसमें एफ का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बटा के एन सब इसमें आई का स्क्वायर बट भी डैश बटा के सी इक्वल टू 1 बाई लेमडा इक्वल टू भी वेयर भी इज द बेम नंबर 10 भी इक्वल टू 1 बाई लेमडा इक्वल टू आर सब इसमें टू जेड स्क्वायर कोष्टक में 1 बटा के एन सब इसमें एफ का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपन एन सब इसमें आई स्क्वायर. We can now discuss the emission of electromagnetic radiation by one electron Bohr's atom. The normal state of the atoms is the state in which the electrons has the lowest energy n is equal to 1, where the atoms receive energy far outside by some means, say by collision in an electron discharge. The electron makes a transition to a state of higher energy n is greater than 1. Now as a common tendency of all physical system, the atoms emits its excited energy and return to the ground state. This is accomplished by a series of transitions in which the electrons drop the state of successively lower energy, finally reaching the ground state. In each transition, electromagnetic radiation is emitted with a number of determined by equation 7. For example, if the electrons is excited to the state n is equal to 7 and drop successively through the state n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 3, the ground state n is equal to 1, then 3 lines are emitted with the wave number gives by equation 7 and n sub इसमें I equal to 7, n sub इसमें f equal to 4, n sub इसमें I equal to 4 and n sub इसमें f equal to 3 and n sub इसमें I equal to 3 and n sub इसमें f equal to 1 for hydrogen z is equal to 1. So that equation 7 is v is equal to 1 upon lambda is equal to r sub इसमें infinity क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के n f square minus 1 upon n sub इसमें I square. This is identical with the series formula of various series of the hydrogen spectrum if r sub is according to the Bohr's model. r sub is m e के खाते 4 बटा के 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h के खाते q c taking the value of the m comma e comma एप्सिलॉन नॉट and c up to 6 significant figure we obtain r sub infinity equal to 1.09737 गुणित करते 7 प्रति मीटर which is in good agreement with the experimental value of R sub H. According to the Bohr's model, each of the five known series of hydrogen spectrum arises from a set of transition in which the electrons drop to a certain final state. N sub F N sub F equal to 1, N sub F equal to 2, 3, 4 Lyman series, N sub F equal to 2, N sub F equal to 3, 4, 5 बामर सीरीज जैसे इसमें अब इसको 3 यहाँ से इसमें आई इसको 4, 5, 6 डर पास्टन सीरीज यहाँ से इसमें अब इसको 4 यहाँ से इसमें आई इसको 5, 6, 7 ब्रैकेट सीरीज यहाँ से इसमें अब इसको 5 यहाँ से इसमें आई इसको 6, 7, 8 फंड सीरीज. These series are illustrated in terms of the energy level diagram. Figure 4, the transition giving rise to a particular lines of a series is indicated by an arrow going from an initial n equal to 1 से लेकर n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, n equal to 5, n equal to infinity. पास्चन, बामर, लाइमन भी वेब नंबर क्वांटम स्टेट्स यहाँ से इसमें टू फाइनल क्वांटम स्टेट यहाँ से इसमें सिंस द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन एनी टू एनर्जी लेवल्स इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एनर्जी ऑफ द टू लेवल्स. द लेंथ ऑफ नैरो is proportional to the wave number of a corresponding spectral line. The theoretical explanation of Balmer series was a great success of Balmer theory. The success was particularly impressed because the Lyman bracket fund series has not been discovered at the times of the theory of development by Bohr. The existence of these series was predicated by the theory, and the series were observed experimentally in 1916, 1922, 1924 respectively at the predicted position. Unquantized state of and continuous spectra. In the spectrum of hydrogen, a continuous band is observed starting at the series limits and extending some little distance of higher wave numbers or shorter wave length. This continuum is explained due to unquantized hyperbolic orbital r which the electron can be moves. Figure 5. It can be shown from classical electrodynamics that an electron moving about a nucleus in a hyperbolic orbit has a positive energy. Further, since the orbital are quantized, all possible values of the energy are possible. From an unquantized orbital, the electron can be passed into one of the quantized orbital with emission of radiation. If the transition takes place in the electron has a velocity v and is at a distance r from the number, the total initial energy क्वेश्चन में काइनेटिक प्लस पोटेंशियल इज 1/2 mv स्क्वायर माइनस जेड ई स्क्वायर बटा के 4/500 r while the final energy when it reach quantized orbital is minus m z स्क्वायर ये कहते 4 बटा के 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के n स्क्वायर. Hence by Bohr's postulate which applied to the all emission of absorption process, whether the orbits of quantized or not, the frequency v dash the emitted radiation is given by h v dash equal to 1/2 mv square minus z e square बटा के 4/500 r plus m z square e के कहते 4 बटा के 8 एप्सिलॉन नॉट स्क्वायर h स्क्वायर क्वेश्चन में 1 बटा के n स्क्वायर. This frequency is greater than that arising from transition between orbit both quantized. Hence the spectrum will be beyond the series limit. Since v and r can take all values, the spectrum will be continuous. This transition can be shown in the energy level diagram by arrow starting from any points in continuum which is above in the energy level n equal to infinity and ending the any quantized level. Bohr's model and absorption spectra. When a beam of continuous light is passed through a gas cell containing hydrogen gas in the atomic state and then sent into a spectrometer, A set of dark lines on a bright background is observed. This is the absorption spectrum of hydrogen in the term of quantum theory. The incident light is considered to a beam of quanta photon of all possible energy. According to Bohr's model, only those quanta are absorbed by the hydrogen atom whose energy corresponds to transition between the allowed energy level of the atoms. Hence, discrete dark lines appear against the continuous background. This process of absorbing radiation is just the inverse emission process, and hence the absorption lines has exactly the same frequencies as the emission line. The dark line is the absorption spectrum are never completely black but only appeared so by contrasts with the bright background. The reason is that the atoms which are excited by absorbing radiation we radiate the absorbed energy almost at once, but these photons come up in a random directly with only a few in the same direction as the original beams of continuous light. No Balmer lines is absorption spectrum of hydrogen. It is observed that for every line in the absorption spectrum here in is a corresponding line in the emission spectrum of the substance. The reverse is however not true. Only certain emission line appear in absorption. This region is that normal the atoms initially in the ground state n is equal to 1 and the absorption transition can occur by from n is equal to 1 to n is greater than 1. Therefore, line of only Lyman series appear in the absorption spectrum. However, in absorption spectra of certain stars, line of Balmer series have been observed. This is due to the fact that on the high temperature of Saturn atmosphere, a sufficient number of hydrogen atom is the first excited state n is equal to 2. We can, however, estimate the temperature of hydrogen and gas in the atomic state at which the Balmer series will be observed in the absorption spectrum. According to Boltzmann probability distribution, the ratio of number n2 of the atoms in the first excited state to the number n1 of the atoms in ground state in sample in thermal equilibrium at temperature T is n2 बटा के n1 इक्वल टू ई खाते माइनस e2 बटा के kt बटा के ई के खाते माइनस e1 बटा के kt इक्वल टू ई खाते क्वेश्चन में e1 माइनस e2 क्वेश्चन बंद बटा के kt वेयर के इज बोल्टमान कांस्टेंट के इक्वल टू 1.38 गुणे 10 माइनस 23 जूल प्रति केल्विन इक्वल टू 8.62 गुणे 10 माइनस 5 ई भी प्रति केल्विन. Now for hydrogen we have E1 is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt, E2 is equal to minus 3.39 electron volt, and E1 and so E1 is minus E2 is equal to minus 13.6 plus 3.39 is equal to minus 10.21 electron volt. चूँकि n2 बटा के n1 is equal to ई खाते माइनस क्वेश्चन में 0.21 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट बटा के 8.62 गुणे खाते माइनस 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट प्रति के क्वेश्चन बंद के खाते t is equal to माइनस 1.5 केल्विन प्रति टी. It is apparent that a significant factor of hydrogen atom will initially in the n is equal to 2 proud t is the order of 10 का 5. Resonance line when an atom in a ground state is excited to a higher state by the absorption of monochromatic radiation, it can fall directly back to the ground state or after passing through other lower state. Therefore, the substance gives emission of the lines same frequency are absorbed and also lines smaller frequency. This phenomena is called atomic furnace. If hydrogen gas is illuminated with monochromatic radiation corresponding to the first of the Lyman series, this radiation will be absorbed and atoms will rise from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2 state. The only possibility in this case is the transition back to the ground. When if however hydrogen gas is illuminated with monochromatic radiation corresponding to the first line of Lyman series, the radiation will be absorbed and atom will rise from n equal to 1 to n equal to 2 state. The only possibility in this case in the transition back to the ground state n equal to 1 with the emission of the same line as absorbed. A spectral line with this property is called resonance line. Thus the first longest wavelength lines of Lyman series is resonance lines of hydrogen correction of finite nuclear mass. Let us now drop the assumption that the nucleus is infinitely heavy compared to the electrons and so remains fixed in space. In fact, the nucleus has a finite mass and the electrons and the nucleus both resolve about their common center of mass. See figure 6, which remains fixed in space. We must correction in Bohr's theory of the finite mass or motion of nucleus. Electrons omega nucleus m r minus x r m electrons. Let's m is the mass of electron, m is M the mass of nucleus, and r is the distance between them. Let x be the distance of the electron from the center of mass c. The distance of the nucleus from c will be r minus x. Since the system in equilibrium, the moment of m and M about c will be equal, that is mx is equal to M कोष्टक में r minus x. This gives x is equal to m r बटा के small m plus M and r minus x is equal to small m r बटा के M small m plus M. Since both the electrons and nucleus revolve around c with the same angular velocity omega, the total orbital angular momentum of the atom L in the same sum of the angular momenta of the electrons and the nucleus. Thus L is equal to mx square omega plus m कोष्टक में r minus x का होल स्क्वायर ओमेगा इक्वल टू m कोष्टक में m स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर बटा के m प्लस बड़का m का स्क्वायर ओमेगा प्लस m स्मॉल m स्क्वायर r स्क्वायर बटा के स्मॉल m प्लस बड़का m का होल स्क्वायर ओमेगा इक्वल टू m बड़का m कोष्टक में m बड़का m प्लस स्मॉल m कोष्टक बंद r स्क्वायर ओमेगा बटा के स्मॉल m प्लस बड़का m का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू स्मॉल m बड़का m बटा के स्मॉल m प्लस बड़का m r स्क्वायर ओमेगा. लेट अस राइट स्मॉल m बड़का m बटा के स्मॉल m बड़का m इक्वल टू म्यू, where mu is the called of reduced mass of electron because it is less than m by a factor 1 बटा के कोष्टक में 1 प्लस स्मॉल m बटा बड़का m. Then the total angular momentum of the atoms about the center of mass is L is equal to mu r square omega. To take nuclear motion into account, Bohr modify his second. The dark lines in absorption spectrum had never completely black but only appeared so by contrast with the bright background. The reason is that the atoms which are excited by absorbing radiation re-radiated the absorbed by energy almost at once, but these photons comes off in a random direction with only a few in the same direction as the original beams of continuous light. No Balmer line in the absorption spectrum of hydrogen. It is observed that for every line in the absorption spectrum there is a corresponding lines in the emission spectrum of the substance. The reverse is however not true. Only certain emission lines appear in absorption. The reason in that normally the quantums in initially in the ground states n is equal to 1, and so absorption transition uh, can occur only the far n is equal to 1 to n is greater than 1. Therefore, line of only the Lyman series appear in the absorption spectrum. However, in absorption spectra of certain star lines of Balmer series have been absorbed. This is due to the fact that on account of high temperature of the later atmosphere, a sufficient number of hydrogen atoms are in the first excited state n is equal to 2. We can, however, estimate the temperature of hydrogen gas in the atomic state, and which the Balmer series will be absorbed in absorption spectrum according to Boltzmann probability distribution. The ratio of the number n2 of atoms in the first excited state to the number n1 of the atom in ground state in simple in thermal equilibrium temperature T is n2 बटा के n1 इक्वल टू ई के खाते माइनस E2 बटा के टी बटा के ई के खाते माइनस E1 बटा के टी इक्वल टू ई के खाते E1 माइनस E2 बटा के टी वेयर के इज द बोल्ट्जमान कांस्टेंट के इक्वल टू 1.38 गुणा 10 माइनस 23 जूल प्रति केल्विन इक्वल टू 8.862 गुणा 10 खाते माइनस 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रति वोल्ट केल्विन. नाउ फॉर हाइड्रोजन वी हैव E1 इक्वल टू माइनस 13.6 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, E2 इक्वल टू माइनस 3.39 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, एंड सो E1 माइनस E2 इक्वल टू माइनस 13.6 प्लस 3.39 इक्वल टू माइनस 10.21 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल. इसलिए n2 बटा के n1 इक्वल टू ई के खाते माइनस 10.21 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट बटा के 8.62 गुणा खाते माइनस 5 EV बटा के कोष्टक टी इक्वल टू ई के खाते माइनस 1.18 गुणा खाते 5 के प्रति टी. It is apparent that a significant fraction of hydrogen atom will initially be the n is equal to 2 state provided T is the of the order of 10 5 के resonance lines